This is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I recently ordered several months back, I ordered a Rockwood Mini Light 2205S travel trailer with quite a few options, which are now standard, by the way. I should be getting it in August, but of course they told me I'm going to be getting it in September or maybe October. Who knows when I'm going to be getting my travel trailer. Probably after camping season is over. I had hoped to take my wife over there to Shipshewana, Indiana, to Juan RV and pick it up there in early August, but that's not going to happen. My wife starts teaching at the university in about mid-August, so that's not going to happen. She's not going to be able to come with me. So if we pick it up in September, mid-September, I start teaching at my senior ed classes in RVing and photography at the local community college. I'm retired. She's still working, so that's the reality. So I sent an email out to Anthony Yoder, who's works at what's that place called? Flagstaff, Rockwood, yeah. He works down there, and his family's been working down there for quite a while. So he's well connected. I've been in communication with him here and there about the brands and getting information, bill sheets and stuff like that in the past. So he's been very cooperative and very helpful to me. Some people are very tech savvy. Other people are not very tech savvy. For example, my nephew, Saul, he's very tech savvy. Right out of high school, he got a job at a tech firm, and he's been a manager, and he's been one of these high-tech whiz-bang type of folks, and he's been, at age 35 he retired, and then he got another job, and then retired from that one. He's now in his late 40s, and he's doing very, very well. Making a lot of money. He's on boards and all that stuff. So he's a techie. He's a techie. His kids are techies. His wife's a techie. And I'm a baby techie. But some people are good at technology. Some companies are good at technology. I recently saw a video from Camping World, of all places, on one of their Coleman travel trailers. And it was a very nice video showing where they placed their charge controller and their inverter in the pass-through storage right next to the battery. The less distance you have between your charge controller and your inverter and that type of equipment is better. It's optimum according to everybody I've read, all the, again, whiz-bang techies out there that are doing installs. They say, that's the place to put them. You don't put them way far away where you have a long run of wires. You want it close where there's a short, muy chiquito, run of wires. So I sent Anthony Yoder a little message, and I'm going to read it to you. And I'm also going to read you his response. He just sent it back to me. Again, each person has their opinion. Anthony's a very smart guy. He's making a lot of money. Flagstaff, Rockwood is making a lot of money. They aren't a bunch of dummies. But I would like them to do some modest changes. Okay? So I wrote this to him, and I'm going to put it on the screen right now. Anthony, the Coleman Rubicon 160 RB is a budget travel trailer. Despite that, they did a brilliant job on their entry-level solar installation as compared to Rockwood and Flagstaff. 9 minutes into this video, they showed the perfect spot for a charge controller and inverter up front and close to the battery. If this were the setup on the travel trailer I ordered, the 2205S, I could readily upgrade the low-end PWM charge controller to a high-quality Victron. I love Victron products. Victron MPPT without breaking a sweat. Coleman is a budget brand. Flagstaff and Rockwood should do better tech. So I left him a link below that, right in the video. You can see it in the page I have on the screen right now. So that's what I said to him. I said, hey, Coleman's a budget brand. They are doing things right regarding solar. They have it right there. I can yank it out. Bam! Of course, I'm going to pull out a couple screws. And then I can replace it with a nice MPPT charge controller. Just a couple wires here and there. Move some odds and ends. Make sure to turn off the 12 volt and also the alternating current. The 30 amp. And I can just replace it with something nice that'll work off Bluetooth. It'll give me a lot of information, and that's more efficient, and blah, 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 blah. Okay? That's what I want to do. And the inverter's even there. Very nice. This is what he wrote back. You know, Anthony's a nice guy. I like him, but I think he's wrong. You tell me if he's wrong. If you have any questions, contact Anthony. He's a nice guy. His family works there. His brother works there, and his father, I think, worked there. They're longtime Rockwood, Flagstaff employees, and of course, they're trying their best. You know, some people are super techie. Other people are not so super techie. Some people just follow the company line. I understand. You know, my wife tells me what to do. I just shut up and do it. What can I say? I am obedient, okay? Okay, Anthony wrote me back today, just about a half hour after sending this video. We are installing... outside each time to check it. By the way, there's a little cable that you run from the charge controller on a very high quality MPPT, and you put it inside and it shows you everything: watts, amps, battery life, etc., etc., all the different information. So it's not that different. The display should be inside. The charge controller should be next to the battery. That's my humble opinion. I'm going to show you the video now of that Coleman, and let you tell me what you think, okay? Let's check out that video right now.
Coming right around to the side, I mentioned this one was prepped for extra solar if you want it, and that's what you have right there. But when we come inside, you will see the solar controller is built in, and again, you have a 190 watt panel up on the roof, battery disconnect is there, light switch for your cap lights, and the 1200 watt pure sine wave inverter is located there. So that way, even without shore power, with that inverter, some of your outlets and stuff will work inside. So you will have that 120 power, and that can be a huge deal.
Everything else about this Flagstaff and Rockwood products that I really like on my new 2205S. Love the seats, love the interior, love the suspension, love the roof, love everything, love the solar panels. The only thing I don't like is the placement of the charge controller right next to the TV in the middle of the unit. So the wires come down from the roof, come down behind the TV to the charge controller. From there it travels under the bed or probably somewhere, and then eventually goes to the batteries up front, okay? And of course on the way it hits the inverter that's under the bed, okay? You know, there's more than 2 zillion ways to skin a cat. What can I say? Not that you're supposed to skin a cat. Don't skin any cats, okay? Don't skin any cats. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave me your super kind and super brilliant and super friendly comments below. And Anthony Oder, you are A+ with me. I'm looking forward to meeting you one of these days and checking out your fantastic facilities over there in Middlebury, Shipshewana area of Indiana, okay? Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and please leave your kind and super friendly comments abajo, below. Por favor. Please leave your kind and super friendly comments below. From Fort Worth, Texas, soon to receive, maybe not so soon. I had hoped to get it sooner. Looks like later for my travel trailer. Soon to get my travel trailer in Shipshewana, Indiana at Wana RV. And I'd like to say saludos, Devin Puckett. You've been a nice and friendly and professional person. I greatly appreciate your standing by and saying my price is locked in. I appreciate that. From Fort Worth, Texas, this has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.